Where's your mama? Where's mama? Where's mama? Where's mama? She at the store? Where's mama? Where's mama? Where's mama? Where is she at? Maybe she's getting you some pepperoni. Aww.
Last place I thought I'd find you, a monastery. I guess you could say I've gone through a rather dramatic transformation. Could you excuse me for 1 second, please?
She's coming back. She's coming back. She'll be back. Are you gonna be okay? Aww. Oh, Chester, Mama's coming. She's coming back. She's coming back. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's lay down. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. Get in your heated blankie. Get in the blankie. It's okay. Get in your blankie and wait for Mama. Okay? Okay? It's gonna be okay. I know. I know. I know. I know. Put your heated blankie on. Let's wait for Mama. Oh, Chester. Chester, I know. Come on. I know. Mama's coming. Mama's coming. I know. She's coming. It's rough. Yeah. Okay.